Bro, I have to make this vid again, because the sound didn't record it on the previous one. So anyway, what's good bros? Today is another market recap. Today we took a loss, and it was pretty avoidable, but let's break this down. First of all, coming into the market we have 4-hour SMT diversions, which is bearish. Then, if we scale down on 1-hour time frame, we have this low resistant draws of liquidity, like a trend line liquidity. Here, all of this liquidity. Same as on ES. Boom, 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 boom. So here. But when the market opens, we can see that we came down, we swept all of the liquidity. All of the liquidity got swept on Nasdaq, and I was like, yo, why did we do that? We had so much trendline liquidity. But I forgot. But by this time I already forgot about 4-hour time frame SMT. So I was like, yo, probably gonna be bullish. And I didn't even look for bullish setup, but there was a bullish setup that I missed. So we could have longed off of liquidity sweep up to the 30-minute gap. So there's our 30-minute gap. And if we scale down on 30-second time frame, we could have taken a 30-second inversion. So boom. At least there, stop there. Targeting 30-minute time frame. It's like 1 to 2. Easy 1 to 2. Or stop we can put like a below. Or here. Like this is pretty much a protected low right now. So we can put it like right there. 1 to 2.2, easy money. But I didn't even see this. Oh, coming back to my trade that I took, that I lost on. We have the 30-minute gap, which I was talking about just now. This is the same gap, but on ES. We respected it, so it was like a micro gap. Like I don't even know how to show it to you. So like there is a gap. Yeah, there is a gap. So we respected it. I was like, cool. Then we're probably gonna go down and target all of this LRL that we have below. Just going on, well, scaling down on 5-minute. Wait. Oh, bro, I can't sneeze. Anyway, we formed this 5-minute fair value gap. And I was like, yo, we need to retrace there. But I was like, retracement into fair value gap. There is no sense to retrace into fair value gap. It was like my thinking process at that time. But there is no need to retrace. I don't know why I thought that. So I thought we didn't have to retrace. So, and I was like, yo, we're displacing lower. So after this candle, I thought like, this is the end of the displacement. We can go lower. And on this wick, I was like, yo, we're going lower, bro. And scaling down on 2, oh wait, what was that? 2, 1? Oh, it was 1 minute. I'll tell you about one thing. There is a shit like 5-minute retracement. It's when we're in a downtrend and we have like a gap, for example, and we sometimes don't like actually retrace there. So instead of going there, we like retracing here and continuing our move down. So in this leg, we can look for 1 minute break of structure to the upside, and then 1 minute break of structure to the downside. So basically, we got our break of structure to the upside, and then break of structure to the downside. I was like, yo, cool, we're entering. So I entered like right there. Stops like above this high. I was like, yo, this like chill. We're chilling and targeting this lows. Like 1 to 2.84. Like, yo, bro, I'm on top of the world, yeah. But no, the market had other plans. And it was like kind of reckless trade, cause we didn't have a proper entry model. It was like purely based off emotions, which is real bad. But then I re-entered the trade and got stopped out at break even. So basically, look, yo, we're displacing lower, but now for sure we're displacing lower. And I entered like right there. I entered like right here. Stop around there. Yeah. Still targeting all the low resistant draws. Wait. Targeting LRL. But I got no. The fill was a bit lower, so like not here, but a bit lower there. So I got stopped out at break even, and then we moved lower. So I got one loss and one break even on today. And the stupidest thing is that I did today is not trading NQ. So I took all the trades on NQ, ES instead of NQ. NQ looks way more cleaner and it has way more momentum to the downside. But I was like, yo, ES has all the draws of liquidity. We're gonna trade ES. It was so fucking stupid, man. I know like we inversed the fair value gap, but we inversed it as well there. So I don't know, I didn't even know why I thought about entering there. I should have like entered there. So yes, 5-minute fair value gap inverse. But we don't give a fuck because we have the 30-minute gap above, which we're delivering from. So longs not the play at all. So we're getting this 1-minute inversion. No, we didn't inverse. So like entering here, stops above this high, which is now a protected high. And targeting, we can target the 4-hour unfilled fair value gap, which I saw many people target. But bro, but it's me. I just didn't. So boom, down to this fair value gap. Also, we could have left like a runner to target like this fair value gap, 1 to 7.6, but be really. But let's be like more. I hate to say be more realistic, but in terms of moves like this, yes. So this is pretty much it. This was a horrible day for me because I didn't analyze everything properly, and man, kinda blame myself for this because it actually is my fault. But anyway, tomorrow's another day, tomorrow's another recap if we get any trades. So catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.